All right, we're on page 94 now. So let's get our workbooks out, our activity books, and turn to page 94. And we're looking at number 1, part A. 1 says to look at this square of numbers and then to color the numbers that are divisible by 2 in blue. So what can you say about these numbers? All right, so first of all, we can look at all the numbers divisible by 2 we should make blue. So we know all of these are going to be divisible by 2. There's a bunch of them actually. All right, so we can say these are divisible by 2. I'll just color them as best I can, as well as this group, and so forth. So I'm going to color every number divisible by 2 in blue. I'm just going to, there we go, that'll work. And we're almost there. We've got nearly all of them. There's a bunch of them, actually. All right, so those are all the numbers divisible by 2. Okay, and what can we say about them? Well, we could see there quickly that all of their last digits are either 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And they are all even numbers as well. Okay, so let's just say they are all even numbers. All right, and then for B, it says to color the numbers that are divisible by 5 in red. All right, let me get my red pen out if possible here. Is that red? That's red. All right, let's go. It says to color the numbers that are divisible by 5 in red. Okay, so, well, I can start with the number 5. I know that's going to be divisible by 5. So I'll start there. And I can basically just color down this row. Or this column, rather. All right, so I've colored down this column. And then I can go to the next group, which is going to be all of these, basically. So I got red and blue on the same numbers here. All right, so there we have all the numbers divisible by 5 are in red. And we can say that their last digits are either what? Let me change back to blue here. All right, so we can say their last digits are either what? So we can notice all those numbers we just colored have last digits of either 5 or 0. So you can say 5 or 0. Okay? And the next one, part C, our last one on this page 94, says to color the numbers that are divisible by 10 in green. And it says to write 2 things about these numbers, okay? So this last one's going to have a lot in there. So we've got all of these will be green. So this is red, green, and blue all in the same one. So that's going to start to look pretty messy. All right, so we got the idea. For part C then, what can we say about the numbers that are divisible by 10? Well, we can also say they are also divisible by what? Divisible by 2 and 5. That's what that green, red, and blue suggests there.